Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to make a stylish and unique piece, Style 2409. Before we start, don't forget about the pattern, fabric, tassels, elastic, and matching thread. Start by cutting your fabric according to the pattern. And don't forget to mark and trace any pattern markings. Also, prepare one strip of bias tape beforehand, as we'll need it later to make the shoulder and back straps. First, let's join the front layers. Sew the neckline and along the both sides, but left the straps hole opens. And give it a good press to keep everything smooth and crisp. Next, we'll stitch around the neckline, leaving a 1/2 inch allowance. This is where we'll insert the elastic later. Now, secure the front hem by stitching both the inner and outer layers. And add 4 rows of top stitching, spaced 3/8 inches apart for elastic insert later. Cut 5 strips of 1/4 inch elastic. And then thread them through the channels we've just stitched. This will give the front a lovely gathered effect. Now, cut your bias tape and sew the shoulder straps starting from the underarm area. Next, we'll cut the back straps to size. Attach the back straps to the elastic that's already threaded through the front double stitching channels. Insert the strap ends and the elastic into the front channels. And secure everything with double stitching. Don't forget to add an extra strap at each underarm for extra support. Now, let's add the adjustable buckles to the straps. And secure them in place for a custom fit. Sew the side seams of the front and back skirts. And the same process applies to the front and back lining of the skirt. Make sure to press them neatly for a smooth finish. Next, we'll attach the top between the skirt bodies and the skirt lining. Begin by aligning the top to the front skirt, right sides together. Then, insert the skirt lining so that the top is sandwiched between the skirt bodies and the lining. sew them together to secure. Mark the waistline. Then stitch a 3/8 inch channel for the elastic. Cut the elastic to your waist measurement. Thread it through the channel. And sew the ends together. For the inner skirt, we'll roll the hem and sew a 1/4 inch seam to keep it neat and tidy. Then, give it a final press. Now for a fun touch. Attach the tassels to the outer skirt's hemline for a playful and stylish finish. Lastly, don't forget to add your label. Use a straight stitch to secure it in place, and that's it. We've just finished sewing this stylish midi dress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. We'd love to see your creations, so feel free to tag us if you give this a try.